Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, couldn't mount file. Sorry, there was a problem mounting the file. Fix in Windows. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set, click and expand class. Click and expand key given in description. Delete LowerFilters and UpperFilters. Close and restart system. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.